Privacy. It is not just a word, it is your right and most important thing to everyone. There are more analytics and tracking scripts running in the internet to harvest your personal and sensitive information. One solution won't fix it. In this video, I'm going to show some must use privacy tools to protect your privacy. Stay tuned for more. Hello everyone, welcome to Pivot channel. I regularly post cybersecurity and privacy related content video. If you are new to this channel or watching the video without subscribe, please subscribe and press the bell button to get the notification when I post video. Are we protecting our privacy? Have you ever thought how my personal information known by marketing and advertisement agency and even scammers? Did you wonder how you're able to see the relevant advertisements in social media platform that 2 days back you discussed with your friends or family? Internet become a part of our life and we are depend on too much on it. Starting with your friends, watching shows and movies, and shopping online. Group of people are waiting to harvest your data. I'm going to show must use privacy tools to protect your privacy from marketing and advertisement agencies and scammers or from any cyber criminals who's looking for your sensitive information. For YouTube algorithm, please like this video and comment. Maybe some people will be just have a question. I'm not a big shot. Why I need to worry about privacy? Because the Honeygain, a crowdsourcing app, collect more data about you and make money by selling on it. Approximately $20 to $35 a person data worth as per the survey. Your data is more value, so learn to protect your privacy. Knowledge is power. Watch this video till the end because in the end of the video, I will tell you how to do a privacy check after this using these tools and all implemented. Just I'll show you how to check your privacy levels. So before going into the video, I just want to disclaimer that one, there is not a sponsored video and none of the tools, whatever I'm just mentioning, is not sponsored by anyone else. It is I have used the tool and during my security researches, and I have found these tools are very good in privacy. So I'm just sharing with you guys. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Web browser. A web browser is the application software for accessing the internet. 60% of your internet activity carry over with the using web browser. It can be chatting, watching video, or listening music, playing games, or doing a research, so on. But if you are not using a right privacy supporting browser, then you are giving more data to the people who are really interested to harvest your personal information. These browsers will help you to protect your privacy. Firefox. Firefox is a free and open source web browser developed by Mozilla Foundation. Firefox is the best for privacy and security. But Firefox is not a perfect out of box solution. You have to spend extra time in setting the Firefox properly. But it definitely worth to take the extra time. Brave browser. Brave browser is fast, private, and secure web browser for PC, Mac, and mobile. It is not a popular choice within the privacy community, but it offers a complete package out of the box. And it is suitable for beginner and it is you don't need to configure or you don't need to spend extra time in configuring it. Tor browser. Tor browser is a free and open source. It gives multi-layer encryption. Your traffic is relayed and encrypted and it passes over the Tor network. Tor browser can be your choice if you need an extra layer of anonymity. It is a modified version of Firefox which comes with a pre-installed privacy add-on, encryption settings, and an advanced proxy. Add-ons. These add-ons will give you additional security and protect privacy. uBlock Origin. uBlock Origin is a free and open source cross-platform browser extension. It will block ads, blacklisted malware, domains, and trackers, and also it gives the user to create their own content filter choices. HTTPS Everywhere. HTTPS Everywhere is a free and open source cross-platform browser extension. In general, HTTPS encrypts all the information shared between the website and the user, including any cookies exchanged, protecting the data from unauthorized viewing, tampering, or misuse. This extension enables HTTPS encryption automatically on all the sites and ensure the user experience is safe from online threats. Decentralizer. It blocks all CDN, content delivered network. For speed delivery, the website create a local geocaches CN, but website depend more on third-party content delivery. This add-on aims to cut out the middleman by providing the light speed delivery of local bundle files to improve online privacy. Privacy Patch. It is a free and open source browser extension. The purpose of this extension is to give a balanced approach to the internet privacy between the user and the content provider by blocking advertisement and tracking cookies. Clear URL. Many websites use tracking element in the URL. This extension will automatically remove the tracking element from the URL to help protect your privacy when browsing to the internet. Firefox multi-account container. This extension is exclusively available only for Firefox, and this extension is developed by Firefox. This extension creates a separate container for each of your online activities. Cookies are separated by the container, allowing you to use the web with multiple accounts by using a simple color-coded tab. Browse X Browser Sync. X Browser Sync is a completely free and open source tool for syncing your bookmark and browser data between your desktop browsers and devices. It is completely secure. Your data is encrypted client side with military grade encryption. Even if someone intercepted your data, they cannot decrypt. It can be decrypted only by you. This extension gives you complete anonymity. No sign up is required and no personal data is ever collected. Cookies auto delete. This web extension helps you to control your cookies. When a tab closes, any cookies not being used are automatically deleted. You can decide which cookies to be prevent or to be deleted. Completely, you can manage the cookies using this extension. Web search engine. A web search engine is a software system designed to search anything in the internet and get the relevant information from the web. But if you are not using a privacy support platform search engine, then there is a chance of they can log your IP address and they can store the histories and it can be tracked, help you to advertisement agency to track you. And those informations can be used for trade-off to advertisement. Below search engines support privacy platform and they don't collect or store any of your personal information like IP address, search it trace, completely free from tracking. Chirex, Startpage, DuckDuckGo. Password Manager. A password manager is a computer program that allows user to store, generate, and manage your complex password securely and privately by using industry standard encryption. By using Password Manager, you can protect your passwords from breaches and stealing your personal information. My recommendations are LastPass, OnePass, Dashlane, KeePass, Bitwarden. Email provider. Email service provider is a provider of email server to send, receive, accept, or store email from organization prospect or end user, but certain email provider is not providing end-to-end encryption email service. My recommendation is Proton Mail. Proton Mail gives end-to-end encrypted email service. Proton Mail uses client-side encryption to protect email content and user data before they are sent to Proton Mail server. This means even Proton cannot decrypt and read your emails. They are providing anonymous email gateway open source and it is protected by Swiss privacy law. Email client. Email client application is used to receive, store, send, and read the email on your own devices. But if you are not using end to end encryption, anyone can snip your email and can read or modify the content. My suggestions are Thunderbird. It is a free and open source. It have a multi features such as like It comes with a built-in do not track feature, remote content blocking, block remote images, phishing, and junk filter. MailUp. MailUp is a browser add-on that you can use in Chrome, Edge, and Firefox to secure encrypt your mails with PGP using webmail providers. MailUp provides end-to-end encryption for your existing email address. Encrypt your emails without having to change your email providers. Encryption and decryption take place exclusively on end devices. This means that your private data will never leave your device unencrypted. Canary security provides seamless end-to-end encryption, full PGP supported, no ads, no data mining. VPN provider. VPN, Virtual Private Network, is a technology that encrypts your network traffic on unsecured networks to protect your online identity, hide your IP address, and shield your online data from third parties. VPN use real-time encryption and send your internet data through a secure virtual tunnel to minimize the possibility of anyone tracking. My recommendations are NordVPN, Surfshark, ExpressVPN, CyberGhost, StrongVPN. Instant messaging. Instant messaging technology is a typically of online chat, allowing a real-time text transmission over the internet. It can be a text, picture, or video chat with your friends or family. To maintain privacy on chat, my recommendation is Telegram. Telegram is a cloud-based mobile and desktop messaging app with a focus on security and speed. It gives end-to-end protection and also have advanced privacy settings. It is ranked fourth on the list of most secure applications. By default, Telegram will not come to the end. You have to enable the end-to-end encryption setting. Signal, ranked by many as the most secure instant messaging application. Signal makes this top spot because it doesn't store any form of user data. The code is open source and it gives end-to-end encryption, which means only receiver able to decrypt the message. Even Signal cannot see your conversation. File encryption. File encryption is encrypting data in a file, protecting it from and making it unusable by unauthorized people. Even though you lost your laptop or external hard drives or pen drive or someone gained access to your cloud storages, it will provide it will prevent your data from leakage and still your personal data remains secure and safe. Please perform complete disk encryption and encrypt your data before upload them to any cloud service. Veracrypt, 7-Zip, Cryptometer, Hacked.sh. Data store on your storage. Deleting the file. Actually, you are deleting the file from your view, but not completely from the hard disk. Still, your data can be recovered. So use the below software to wipe the data completely from the hard drive. Shred, SDelete, LeechBit, Exit Cleaner. File sharing. Below tools will help you to transfer the file, pictures, or any data from one end to end in secure and private without data leakage and also in an encrypted way. Onion Share. Anonymously file transfer via Tor network. Onion Share is an open source tool that lets you securely and anonymously share the files with anyone using Tor network. Synchronize the files between two or more computers in real time, safely protected by from the praying eyes. Your data is your data alone. Cloud storage is a way of storing a data on the internet so that you can access it anywhere securely. There are many questions surrounding the data privacy protected by popular cloud storage service. No end-to-end encryption means that you must trust the provider to store your data and protect it. You can create your own cloud storage platform using Nextcloud open source tool. Nextcloud is functionally similar to Dropbox, Office 365, or Google Drive. It can be hosted in the any cloud source platform or on-prem or even the low-cost devices Raspberry Pi. And you can start using your own cloud and you can start use store the data, uploading data, and you can access those files from anywhere like other cloud services. Since it is you own this piece, your data will be visible for you only, and your data is your data alone. So no one can see what you are uploading and store it. Still you get the same benefits of like other cloud services providing, right? So you can get the same thing, but it is a completely free and you can manage the service. Now we are at the end of the video. As I said earlier, I will tell you how to do a privacy check. After tuning your browser and install the privacy add-ons and security add-ons, and after deploying your VPNs and start using other privacy tools, you can visit browserleaks.com, and it is actually a security tool that will show what data can be leaked and how you can protect you from this. You can run this one and it will help you too. And second one is Locate.js. This tool will help you to figure out whether my locations are leaking or not. This will help you on it. IPleak.net. This is again help you to see whether my data leakages or IP leakages are happening via WebRTC, DNS leak, geolocation, torrent address detections, and more. It will give you completely things and you can test your browser. Thank you all watching this video. I hope you guys like this video and helpful. Don't forget to give like to the video and please comment your feedback and experience. Share this video and this channel with your friends and colleagues. Stay tuned for more cybersecurity and privacy tool related videos. Please subscribe the channel. Happy learning. See you soon all with another interesting video. Bye. Take care.